Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is displayed, enabled, and selected for a particular element. Displayed checks if the element is visible on the UI, enabled checks if an element is interactive, selected checks if the checkbox or radio button or option is selected. These methods are mainly used for validations before and after actions. Displayed is used to check whether an element is visible to the user on the screen. It returns true if the element is visible. It returns false if the element is hidden. Enabled. Enabled is used to check whether an element is enabled or clickable or editable. It returns true if the element is enabled. It returns false if the element is disabled. Selected. Selected is used to check whether an element is already selected. It is mainly used for checkboxes, radio buttons, drop down options. It returns true if the element is selected. It returns false if the element is not selected. So here in the Cogmento login page, if you see, I am first opening the Cogmento login page and then I am checking whether the input email field is displayed, if it is enabled, and if any checkbox is available, I am checking whether it is selected or not. If checkbox is not displayed on the UI, then it will say checkbox is not present in the login page. So I will run this sample application and see how it works. As you can see here, email field is displayed, and if you see in the console app, email displayed equal to true, email displayed equal to false, checkbox is not present in the login page. As you can see, there is no checkbox, so that's why it has printed checkbox is not present in the login page. So this is how displayed, enabled, and selector are used in Selenium automation. And once again, let me revise. Displayed prevents hidden element failures in automation. Enabled prevents clicking disabled elements. Selected is mandatory for checkbox and radio validations. So in shortcut, if you want to remember, displayed is equal to visible in the screen. Enabled is equal to usable. And selected means chosen if you have selected any option or not.